The common question which we are getting from the viewer is what is BLDC ceiling fan and how it's work. Basically, BLDC ceiling fan is one type of ceiling fan which consumes lower electricity as compared to normal induction fan. The full form of BLDC is brushless direct current. The major part used in BLDC ceiling fan is BLDC motor. For BLDC motor, there is no brush used between rotor and stator for transferring electricity supply. So it's called brushless DC motor. Now we are going to discuss about the other part, rotor and stator. In BLDC ceiling fan, permanent magnet used in the rotor. For stator, copper winding used in stator which produces magnetic flux after supply of electricity. So permanent magnet for rotor, for stator copper winding use. Now we are discuss about BLDC drive. The main part of BLDC drive is SMPS, switch mode power supply. SMPS is used for convert AC supply into DC supply. The main function is conversion from AC to DC. Then microcontroller, it is used for receiving the input data from remote control and give output data accordingly to inverter. Now inverter, after receiving signal from microcontroller, inverter drive to motors. So as conclusion, at first SMPS receive supply and it convert into DC supply. Then it comes from microcontroller to inverter. As we know, inverter convert DC to pulse AC. So BLDC fan working principle is when we turn on fan, the SMPS convert AC supply to DC supply. Then after microcontroller receive the input signal from the remote control and accordingly input signal microcontroller send the signal to the inverter. Then after inverter drives the BLDC motor. That's how BLDC fan works. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Press the bell icon